Hi guys, I am going to read English newspaper. Police bans gathering protest in central outer parts national capital till October 5. The Delhi police has imposed a 6-day ban on protests and gathering of 5 or more people in central and border areas of the city, citing concerns over law and order. The restrictions, which will be in place until October 5, was implemented under Section 163, previously Section 144 of the CRPC of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita. The directive issued by Police Commissioner Sanjay Arora applies to New Delhi North and Central districts as well as police stations sharing borders with other states. The decision comes amid the expected movement of VVIPs and dignitaries in the New Delhi and Central District areas. On October 2, for Mahatma Gandhi's birth anniversary, the order also cited the ongoing Jammu and Kashmir and Haryana Legislative Assembly elections are reasons for the need for heightened vigilance, mentioning that these events necessitate strict checks on the movement of individuals and vehicles at Delhi's borders. It expressed concerns that areas with migrant population from these states could become vulnerable to infiltration and investigation by anti-social element aiming to disrupt public order. During this period, the assembly of 5 or more unauthorized person carrying of weapons, banners, placards or engaging in protest in public spaces is prohibited in the affected district. Violators will face punishment under Section 223, previously Section 188 of the IPC of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. Following the order, around 112 people from Ladakh, including climate activist Sonam Wangchuk, were detained by the Delhi police at the city's border. They had marched to the capital to demand sixth schedule status for the Union Territory. Delhi Minister Saurabh Bhardwaj criticized the order, labeling it an uncleared emergency and urging that the stated reasons were not convincing. He suggested that the center is attempting to suppress Delhi residents' voices on issues such as the rise of gangsters and extortion related shooting in the city. Thank you guys for watching this.